Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is July 17th, 2025, and here are our top stories. Softbank AI, AI Power, Mistral AI, Meta Talent. Softbank AI. 1 billion AI agents are set to be deployed by Softbank this year, as stated by CEO Masayoshi Son. Speaking at a customer event hosted by the Japanese conglomerate, Son suggested the era of human programmers is waning. He estimates it takes about 1,000 AI agents to replace a single employee due to the complexity of human thought processes. These AI agents are software programs capable of autonomously reacting to external signals and making decisions without human intervention. From simple bots to self-driving cars, these agents will take on various tasks. Softbank aims to automate tasks, conduct negotiations, and make decisions, extending beyond just software programming. Sun envisions AI agents operating 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, learning independently and gathering information. They are expected to be more productive than humans at a cost of only 40 Japanese yen per month, roughly 23 euro cents. Sun downplays the common AI issue of hallucinations as a temporary and minor problem. AI Power. California is on track to become North America's first state to harness AI for tackling grid issues and power outages. Gopakumar Gopinathan, Senior Advisor for Power System Technology at the California Independent System Operator, notes that while AI is reshaping many industries, its application in grid management is still rare. On July 15th at the DTEC Midwest Utility Industry Summit in Minneapolis, CAISO is set to announce a pilot program with new AI software called Genie, developed by energy giant OATI. This generative AI software will perform real-time analyses for grid operators and is expected to autonomously handle critical grid functions in the future. Currently, despite serving top-tier Silicon Valley companies, California's grid management remains surprisingly analog. Mistral AI. French AI company Mistral AI introduces Voxtral, two open-source language understanding models designed to replace proprietary solutions at less than half the cost. Voxtral comes in two variants, a 24B version for production applications and a 3B version for local and edge deployments. Both offer a context window of 32,000 tokens, enough for transcribing up to 30-minute audio files or understanding tasks for up to 40 minutes. Beyond transcription, the models include built-in Q&A and summarization features without needing separate ASR and language models. Mistral AI's benchmarks show Voxtral Small surpassing leading models like Whisper Large v3 and GPT-4o Mini Transcribe. With API prices starting at $0.001 per minute, Mistral AI also offers enterprise features, including private deployment options and domain-specific fine-tuning, with more functions planned for the coming months. Meta Talent. Meta's new superintelligence lab is reportedly set to welcome OpenAI researcher Jason Wei, according to information from Wired. Wei's departure from OpenAI aligns with Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg's ambitious plans to accelerate progress toward artificial general intelligence by attracting top-tier tech experts. Wei, previously entrenched in OpenAI's O3 and deep research models, arrived after a stint on chain-of-thought research at Google. Alongside him might be Hyung-Won Chung, another OpenAI talent whose Slack profile is also deactivated. Chung, who collaborated with Wei at Google, focused on reasoning and agents. This close partnership might have led Zuckerberg to bring both researchers on board. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.